To my channel, Rochelle Clarke here, and I'm doing another hair review. So the hair that I have today is from Hairvivi. So this wig is special, and this is the first wig of its kind that I've ever reviewed. So that's why I'm not doing a voiceover. I'm just walking you through it because I actually want to show you guys all the details of the wig, and this is actually one of the best wigs I've seen in a long time. So let me show you the wig. This is what the wig looks like up close, and honestly this is the best tweezed looking frontal I've seen ever. It's going straight back, which is the direction I like my frontal to go. It's actually already bleached, so you do not have to bleach it. And let me show you the fake scalp part. So on the inside, it's actually lined with like almost like a stocking cap type of fabric. So this is where they're saying you don't need to actually put a bald cap on. See that? And then you can see where the rest of the hair comes in on the front. So this is really interesting, and I actually really like this idea. And it's already parted for me, and this part is like perfection. It looks pretty good to me. And I have 22 inches, and the hair as well is extremely soft, very, 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 very silky. This is very, very silky. Very silky. Like, it's like, I can't even feel it, how silky the hair is. All right, so I'm gonna back this thing up and try this wig on. So I'm gonna try this wig on right now and show you what it looks like on my head. Braids! So I got some nice flat braids in. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Feels good. I think I got a medium size. Might be too big because I have a very small head, but I like to get a medium just in case I need to pull the frontal forward, because my hairline, it goes close to my eyebrows. So normally I do have to pull my frontal down because I have a very small forehead. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. So as I said before, honestly, this frontal looks pretty good. It doesn't need a whole lot of work, but if you want to, obviously you can do a little bit of tweezing. So I'll probably cut off this much of the lace. I'll probably cut it around there and like discard this part. Okay. Probably, yeah, cut this lace up to about there and cut this off. I don't need this. Okay guys, so remember, I don't have a bald cap on, so what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good, and the color of the lace, I forgot to mention, is phenomenal. I don't have to tint it. It looks like it's gonna blend in right with my skin. So I'm gonna cut the lace off camera. And remember, when you cut your lace, always try to cut it uneven, like in a zigzag pattern. Don't just cut it like absolutely straight. Okay, so I'll be right back. So I'm back. I just cut the lace off, and I feel like I have nothing else to do to this wig. Like, it's just ready to go. I'm done. If I want, I can run the straightener through it just to make it super, super straight at the bottoms, because it kind of bent because it was in the box, obviously. But this hair is really, 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 really soft. It's so soft that I was trying to clip it with one of those clips while I was cutting, and it was just sliding out of the clip. Like, that's how soft. I can't even grasp it. It's really soft, guys. I can't exaggerate that enough. So I did not even glue the lace down. This lace color is honestly perfect, and once it is actually glued, you won't be able to see anything. So let me show you. You can barely see the scalp underneath, but that's not a big deal. If you want, you can put a little bit of makeup on your hairline. Some people do that to help it kind of blend seamlessly. But honestly, I love this wig. I'm even nervous to even put any glue on it because it's just so perfect the way it is. And sometimes glue, after a couple of days, it kind of, you know, you can see it. But I'm gonna glue it down. If I wanted to, I might tweeze a little bit of this, and I might take down some teeny tiny baby hairs. So remember guys, I don't have a bald cap on. This is just the wig all by itself with my braids underneath. So you guys, this is how I'm looking. I just quickly used my Got To Be spray to glue down my frontal on the wig. Also, because I'm not going to be wearing a side part right now, I haven't customized the side, but when I do decide to do a side part, I'll go in, tweeze the sides out, and make it look a bit more natural. But for now, I'm just gonna wear it the way it came in the box. Center part it is, and I love it. Okay, so that was the fake scalp wig, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. And again, I really do love this hair, so be sure to check them out. They're in the description box below, and I also have a coupon code right here. So be sure to use the coupon code to get a discount on your purchase if you do get one of these wigs. I would highly recommend one. I love it. It is low maintenance, and it's ready to go out the box, and it has the fake scalp, which is the whole point of this wig. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment down below, and if this was informative to you, let me know. So comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.